to change country in Airbnb. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your country in your Airbnb account. So first of all, just open your preferred browser, and after that just simply search for Airbnb and just log into your account. And once you're logged in order to change your country or your location in your Airbnb account, you need to follow these steps. Like, you have to go to your profile and click on where I live to update or remove your location, and then click on save. So steps are quite simple, so just follow along. So just click on the profile icon from the top right, and here just go to account section, and here just click on go to profile from the account section there, and now just click on create profile. And in your profile section, you will see all these options like where I want to school, my work, where I live, and language and I speak. So just click on where I live. And here you can enter the preferred location and the country where you want to change your current location from. So for example, I want to change it to a different location in a different city. So just enter the name of the area or the country where you want to change the location to. So as you can see that I have selected the one, so just select it and click on save. And as you can see that your country and location has been changed right here in your profile. And once you are done, just save all the changes while clicking on done option. And this way you will be able to change your country in your Airbnb account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.